Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the scan device in homepage feature in the Smart Life application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the Me button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the Settings button at the top of the page on the right, and then look for the More Features button and just click on that. And within this section, look for the Scan Device in a Homepage button, and if you want to enable this feature, just click on the white circle next to it, and it will automatically display the discovered devices to the home page. So once it turns green, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.